Okay, now we're going to start with chapter 6, which is our urinary system. Our urinary system is one of our excretory systems in that it is going to excrete all unused, unwanted waste from the body. And this is going to compose just a few organs to create this organ system. And we'll go through those real quickly. I did want to say right up front that the quiz is going to cover slides 1 through 13 on the PowerPoint, or if you have your textbook, it's pages 218 to 225. So let's get started. Like I said, the whole function is to remove waste from the body. It regulates fluid volume and maintains electrolyte concentration in the body fluid. You know how if you run and you participate in sports or something, or you're working outside and you sweat a lot and they say, oh, drink Gatorade to replenish your electrolytes. Your electrolytes are responsible for a lot of functions within the body, your heart rate, things like that. So it's important that you have the proper electrolyte concentration in your body. And the urinary system is one of those that plays a major role in that. Here are some pictures of the different organs of the urinary system. It's pretty simple. We have our kidneys, then we have the bladder, we have the ureters, the urethra, and here's our bladder right here. I think I said that. But anyway, here are the kidneys. Here's a cross section of the kidneys. You do not need to know. You're not going to have any kind of diagram on the quiz or the test. But you do need to know that in the kidney, you know, blue and red signals deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. So just like anything else, we're going to have oxygenated blood coming in to these filters. Basically, it's going to filter out the waste and have the waste leave the body, and it's going to return the good stuff back to our bloodstream, meaning the electrolytes. So it goes from this down to this. This is a cross section of the kidney, and here's a section of each area of the kidney called a nephron. Female and male urinary system, pretty basic until it reaches the area where it's excreted from the body, but pretty much same thing. Here's a picture of the male urinary bladder. You have two bean-shaped organs that are the kidneys, and they're on each side of the vertebral column. The nephron is the small little unit within each kidney that helps to filter the blood and get rid of the waste. You have about 1,000,000 nephrons in each kidney. Can you live with only one kidney? Yes, with one functioning kidney you can. The ureters are the slender tubes that take the urine from the kidney to the bladder. The bladder holds it, and then the urethra, it goes from the bladder to the outside part of the body. Here are combining forms for the urinary system. Cysto and vesico mean the same. Glomerulo, meato, nephro, or reno mean the same thing. Pyelo, uretero, and urethro. Here are some more combining forms. Our suffixes. Did we have any prefixes? Not in this chapter. Does it mean that we don't use prefixes with the urinary system? No, it just means that there are no new ones. Everything that you're going to use in this chapter, you've already covered in other chapters, so you should be familiar with those prefixes. This is the last of what's going to be covered on the test. So like I said, it's slides 1 through 13. That's going to be covered on the quiz. I'm going to do a second narration that's going to cover the rest of the chapter, and that'll take you all the way through the test.